This is the initial response for Chapter 5. And, looking at the planning part of this chapter, what I found is that Marzano challenges teachers after they have taught using direct instruction to think through and consider this question. How will I design and deliver a lesson that causes students to generate a claim that they're able to defend with grounds, backing, and qualifiers? And this is a question that, all teachers should consider during the planning stages of their lesson development. But it's a little tricky because it takes time and it takes teachers teaching skills that aren't content knowledge. And so, we're challenged by Marzano to start this very young and elementary so that those skills that are not content skills, but the skills that it takes to effectively think and use our knowledge to defend what we claim, those skills take more time and effort. So if we begin teaching them very early and give smaller projects and things for them to think through, it is easier when they are in secondary schools. But when we just skip it until they get to secondary, and that's when they have to start stating claims and finding the information to defend their claims, it takes a lot more effort teaching those skills, and it's a lot harder. It takes more time. When teachers begin planning their lessons with that application in mind and the knowledge in mind, they're able to take students from just basic content knowledge to real-world application, and ultimately the implication for change is that students are more prepared for college and career. Elements 12, 13, and 14 take students beyond making just empty claims, which we all do. We can all make a claim about many things, but supporting our claim with evidence, that takes a step further. So element 12 engages students in complex thinking and involves the students moving through a process to investigate a claim and make decisions based on the results of that claim. Element 13 ensures that students will be able to build their knowledge for application because they have a teacher that is insightful and they think through what resources the student might need. They're there as a resource themselves, and they're there to offer feedback when it's needed, but they also have thought through what content-rich materials the students would need, and they have it available to them. Element 14 takes students to a place where they have enough information to state an accurate claim, support the claim with grounds of accuracy. They can back it through research, maybe experiments that they've done or surveys that they have completed and asked people to complete, or with evidence that they've collected in their research. Students are able to identify what is evidence and what doesn't support their claim, and then formally they're able to present their claim with the support that they have built. Thank you. Y'all have a good afternoon.